The Blues regain possession between the lines they're named after. He scores! Drew, he's got the trick. The home fans happy here right now.
Here's an example of the defense just being outmatched on the play.
Not the best defender either, and really he just got taken advantage of.
These mismatches can wreak havoc on your game plan. That's why you try to minimize them from happening.
And now Columbus in their zone, and Columbus over the line. Here we go with Columbus now. Nash to the middle. Goal! He scores the first goal of the game in front of the home crowd.
Forget the goal. How about this pass, eh?
Could not have happened without that assist. Gorgeous play.
Sometimes plays like this go unnoticed, but I'll tell you what, his coach was watching that goal develop the whole time.
Superb job.
Assisted by number 47.
He dekes it.
Alexander.
Goal! And they go ahead here in the first period early. This game is starting out to be a fast-paced one.
Here we go on the replay, Randy. This is just an awful defensive play here. Here we go on the replay, Randy. This is just an awful defensive play here.
And here's Suter. Here come the Predators with a chance. Now Martin Erat. He scores! Drew, he's got the trick. The home fans happy here right now.
We've got a lot to check out in slow motion. One-timer goal, but man, the puck changed direction 3 times. First the assist, then the shot, and then it hit the iron.
That's what we call the wham-bang-boom play. Assist, shoot, score.
Maybe it should be the wham-bang-ping. You've got to give a crossbar credit. I mean, it's like a third assist or something.
Now in the corner, boys. Always have to watch out for him.
0-2.
Wings, here we go. Goal! And they get a 2-goal lead here in the first period. This game is starting out to be a fast-paced one.
Let's take another look at this attack.
You can see the goalie preparing as he gets into his crouch.
When you don't know when or where the shot's coming from, you're at a huge disadvantage.
It was a defensive breakdown.